So I had to come up with a plan, and the weather showed rain all day. The problem was I done picked all this stuff, and this is perishable goods. They only last for so long. Competition 3 in a row when you first walk in, man. We're gonna have to go up on our price a little bit because we'll be the cheapest one out here. Behind me, but it is pouring down rain. It's been pouring down rain for about 30 minutes. 9 o'clock, been 1 hour. Show them the cash, Bailey. Ooh. One thing I have noticed only in my second year of doing this farm market thing is that people don't want to drive out to my farm for simple things like squash, onions, tomatoes, peppers. They won't come. I get purple hull peas, watermelon, something like that. They'll drive here. So I had to come up with a plan. So my plan was to go to my first farmer's market. So we came out the evening before, picked peppers, squash, a few eggplant that was ready, a few cucumbers, and a mess of onions. But then, with my luck, we done paid our money and everything, and the weather showed rain all day from starting at 6 in the morning to like 8 in the evening, anywhere from 30 to 50% chance of rain. The problem was I done picked all this stuff, and this is perishable goods. They only last for so long, maybe 3 or 4 days, maybe 5. So I was in a predicament. Being it was picked and being already paid, we just went ahead and went. I put a canopy in there just in case it rained, and we loaded up and headed out. We are at our first ever farm market for Fat Possum Farms. Usually we just sell right there at the farm, but they have one here in Hot Springs Village, which is a retirement community. And every time I come here, it's pretty packed, but there is some competition. But we're gonna try it out and see how it goes, because I got some produce I need to move or give away. If I don't sell it today, I don't know, I'll be giving it away, but don't tell nobody. That's our stand. Bailey, that's my granddaughter. I got her this week. I've been working her. We're getting it set up. We have a little bit of everything. There's some greens, onions, carrots, squash. And there's some competition 3 in a row when you first walk in. Me and Bailey got here late. The rest of it's just a bunch of crafts. We're gonna have to go up on our price a little bit because we'll be the cheapest one out here. And I don't want to undercut the other people who's been here. I want to kind of match our price. Bailey? Think? What do you think?
I think it's a smart approach.
Bailey says it's a smart approach. Within the first 15 minutes, we done made our first sale. It was looking good. We just sold $10 worth. Show them, Bailey. Show them the cash. An hour later, we done sold some more. It's 9 o'clock, been 1 hour. Show them the cash, Bailey. Ooh. All this time, it was sprinkling. And then the hard rain came. When the hard rain came, no one was willing to park out in the parking lot, walk all the way across there and get wet. 10 o'clock, I don't know if you can see behind me, but it is pouring down rain. It's been pouring down rain for about 30 minutes. I looked at the weather, it should end at 10:30, but this ends at 12, so we might be done for. I looked at my weather chart and it said it should quit around 10:30, so we stuck it out. It's 11:27, we got about 10 minutes left. Still got quite a bit. We're back at the farm. Now we're finna tally up the profits. Bailey's gonna count it out. All right, Bailey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 36, 37, 47, 48, 49, 50, 55, 56,
66. No.
61,
No. Was it 56?
and then 60,
51?
61,
61?
62, 63,
4?
64, 65, 66, 67, 68,
68, 69, 70, 71, 73.
73, 78, 83.
83?
$83.
Take off the 15 that we pay for the spot. That's like $70. It was kind of a bad day. First of all, it showed rain all day, and we were supposed to be in a park, but they moved us to a covered facility. So a lot of people might not have known we was going to be moved to that facility and figured it was going to be out that park, and it was going to get rained out. And another thing, all the vegetable vendors was the first 3 rows was vegetable vendors, and me and Bailey was all the way down at the end on the other side. So a lot of people never made it to us by the time they bought their vegetables. But that's not bad. We'll take what we'll get, and we'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. Come back and see us.